Welcome to English Essays. Get access to quality essay that help you score. Today we have 10 lines essay on myself in English. My name is Sanvi Kapoor and I am 5 years old. My birthday is on 25th October. I live with my family in Chennai. My parents love me the most. I am a student of St. Paul's School, Chennai. My favorite dish is chicken and rice. I love to play with my toys at home. My favorite color is pink. My hobby is playing piano. I love going out with my family on weekends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English videos.